Recently, McWane Ductile Ohio had the honor of welcoming State Senator Andrew Brenner to our facility in Coshocton, Ohio. Joined by key representatives from McWane Ductile and the Ductile Iron Pipe Research Association, Senator Brenner engaged in productive conversations about the vital role our facility plays in supporting Ohio's water and electrical infrastructure. Topics range from our three core business lines, ductile iron pipe, iron poles, and specialty castings, to energy consumption, potential output, and the growing need for modern infrastructure in Ohio's rural communities. Senator Brenner was given a front-row seat to the complex and carefully managed process of manufacturing ductile iron pipe and poles, products known for their unmatched durability and resiliency. More than 600 dedicated team members, including 375 proud steelworkers, make this possible, bringing skill, experience, and craftsmanship to every piece that leaves our facility. Throughout the visit, Senator Brenner demonstrated a genuine interest in the challenges and opportunities facing both our industry and the communities we serve. We thank Senator Brenner for taking the time to witness firsthand the work being done here at McWane Ductile Ohio, and for his commitment to strengthening Ohio's infrastructure and economy.